this is Miss... There's a lady France I used to play in the morning. Footy, tell me who that lady is. It's the return of the Ride the Rhythm Challenge, everybody. Last year, we were challenged, and now the segment is back with a new set of reggae rhythms. We're going to listen and sing as many songs as we can remember from that rhythm. And we're going to play several popular rhythms of yesteryear.
Okay.
So as the DJs would say...
Run the rhythm.
The track. Run the track!
This morning.
Can't be 8:30.
Any minute.
All right. No ice cream sound. This is a dub plate. A lot of sound won't get nothing tonight. A lot of original go tonight. Cause the battle is getting
Remember the criminal act.
In this Jagidian. Run it, girl.
Other people won't get no
loving tonight. Supper, loving. The dub was.
Other people won't get no supper tonight. Right.
All right. What else was on this tune? That's not this tune.
In a dance. I'm not thinking of that. I'm in a dance.
I'm a DJ in a dance.
We come
I'm a DJ in a dance.
We're going to supper tonight.
Oh, supper.
Well, I better use that word. This is one version. The other version, supper, was the word I chose to use, given the new criminal offenses.
True, we know. I get charged.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. Run the track. Next track.
That was the
was
real
that
rap.
Really was that song on that rhythm? Which one that? Let me know.
Okay.
She loves me and the father.
Okay.
The brothers and sisters, them a talk how I can't
They is having a whale of a time.
They might do them true.
She loves me now. I gotta say, when these rhythms were out, I was studying.
I could beat myself. Don't beat yourself, Bears. It happens to the
Better you
best of
beat
us.
yourself
That
than me beat you.
Jumps. Oh my gosh. This, pass the chip on the left hand side.
It a go.
Pass the chip on the left hand side. It a go. Give me the music, make me jump and prance. It a go, boss.
Give me the music, make me rockin' at the dance. I play it on the stereo.
Oh, yeah,
Then I go play it in the disco. Yeah, watch out. Princess,
hey. I love our rope exes. Come here, Owen.
Giving me African data.
And there's the other one. Run the... Owen, come back here. Owen is our secret.
But we can just sing one song and it has to be the original song.
That's not. It's a song on the rhythm, girl.
Hello, Mama Africa. How...
Ghana did not sing that song on this rhythm.
It has to be the song.
It's not the remix rhythm challenge.
Africa.
Garnet. Is this Garnet? No, this is
tired and weak, so
Sunshine. Went back to sleep, Sanchez. Yes. Dear God, I'm weak.
There was my baby looking so sweet, just thinking about beneath the sheets, staring in her
big brown eyes. Girl, I wanna make you mine. So, wait in the middle of the night. Hope it's not a surprise. Then what happened? Then gently she whisper. Okay, but that's called a pull up. Okay, dash.
We were so good at this last year.
Yeah, last year was a long time ago. Run again, Foots. Maybe we know more than one.
This need Donovan there, cuz.
This need Owen. Owen is a big DJ, you know? You know, so Owen runs sound?
Yeah.
Oh. Owen, come back where we can see you so you can prompt us again.
Rumors them spreading.
Claim that you're sensing me planting. Oh, wait, no. Rumors then spreading. Claim that you're sensing we planting. But I'm an addict and in a juggling. I hear rumors are gone. Love, you sound so sweet on the line.
Telephone love,
you make my day every time. Telephone love, you sound so sweet on the line. Telephone love, you make my day every time. Cause when you call, I feel so good.
Are you live uptown? Are you living at the ghetto?
Oh, Shelly. Hey. True, we never remember that one day. That's why we need Owen. Hey. Look how me them, no spread no rumor, show me no respect. Not you me them, you know they get up.
No respect. No care me name, no spread no rumor,
show me no respect.
Not you me living at the ghetto, show me no respect. Because this is a fact, me have to confess.
Alright, we don't know the lyrics to that one, yeah. Yes. It's a big tune though. Don't spread.
I don't. This song does not resonate with my person.
Does it apply?
Is there another song? Okay.
Oh gosh.
Tomorrow and Smile.
All right.
Tomorrow and Smile. There's going to be some reggae jamming with Chris Malachi and the New City Dreamers Band, and we discuss the Violence Prevention Alliance's push to positively influence behavioral change in boys and men.
All right. But for today, everybody, be careful with your words. One said they can be forgiven. Well, they can be forgiven, but not necessarily forgotten.
All right.
That's our show for today. Thanks for being with us. We know you had options, but you're happy you spent the last 2.5 hours with us, don't you?
Especially the last couple of minutes.
We're singing more. Oh, if Jah is by my side.